I have a simple earring hack for you. If you have a collection of head pins, could be ball pin, head pin, ones with interesting design, you can turn those into stud earrings like this. And all you have to do is clip around 12 millimeters to 13, depending on the length you are most comfortable, and then use a little nail file and smoothen the other end. What ends up happening is you can either wear them as studs or embellishment of a drop, and you wear them like this. In the back, if it is the case, the ideal thickness for the head pin would be 20 to 22 gauge. But if you've got 24 and regular backings don't work, you could use the silicone ones that are grippy, and that will stay like that. And all you have to do is clip it and file. And in fact, that would expand your collection of earrings, because if you already have drops, and I would keep them separately, then all of a sudden you have many different ones, drop stud earrings to go. And you can certainly sell them that way by selling them in groupings for your customers.